Living in environmentally conscious times, it may feel like a waste heating up a full-sized oven just to make a small meal. And if you have a small kitchen, a traditional oven may not be an option. This is where toaster ovens can help you save on space and utility bills. Even if you have a large kitchen, a toaster oven is useful for the heavy cooking holidays, such as Thanksgiving, when you need to cook and warm several dishes at different temperatures all at the same time. In this video, we'll present you the top 5 toaster ovens on the market today. So if you want to know what toaster oven will work for you, stay tuned. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these toaster ovens, you can check out the links in the description and comments section below. Now, let's get to the video. First on our list is Best Overall, we chose Breville's BOV 450 XL Mini Smart. The main feature that sets the Breville Mini Smart Oven apart is its use of Element IQ variable power distribution. It works like this. Food is cooked more quickly and evenly using the power of 4 individual quartz heating elements. This distributes heat throughout the appliance where it is needed. The oven adjusts the wattage of the heating elements up to 1800 watts for flexible cooking based on the heating menu options you choose. The preset menu options include toast, bake, broil, roast, cookies, reheat, pizza, and bagel. With dimensions of 16 by 13 by 9 inches, the Breville Mini Smart Oven is the smallest toaster oven Breville makes, and it can fit 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza inside. Among the many features that can make the unit easy to clean are the removable pull-out crumb trays. You should change it often to ensure the device doesn't malfunction, as most toaster ovens are designed to stop functioning when crumbs build up to an unsafe level. The Breville Mini Smart Oven has more than 1,200 5-star reviews on Amazon. Buyers report that this toaster oven is durable and performs just as well, if not better, than traditional ovens. The biggest complaint are the buzzer is extremely loud and that the handle on the oven door sticks out too far. By the way, if there's another product that you would like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments section down below, and we will make it happen. Next on the list is Best Convection Toaster Oven. We chose Cuisinart's TOB 195 Exact Heat Toaster Oven Broiler. The Cuisinart toaster oven is user-friendly enough for even a novice to cook with using its customizable settings, automatic shutoff, and digital control panel. This Cuisinart model is a bit different in design compared to their other units. It has a stainless steel and brushed chrome look with an electronic touchpad control at the bottom. Most toaster ovens will have the control panel at the side. The touchpad keys include 4 main cooking functions: pizza bake, broil, convection bake, and toast. You can also combine toast with the bagel, defrost, or reheat mode for different types of bread. There is an additional 4 to 6 slice button which will add the right amount of time if you're toasting 4 to 6 slices of bread in one batch. This button offers additional convenience and precision to your toasting results each time you do a bigger batch. The Cuisinart TOB 195 is being called the Exact Heat Toaster Oven because there is a sensor inside to monitor the heat so that it's kept at a consistent level with a very tight range to give you the same cooking results time after time. In other words, the cooking performance is repeatable with the same settings each time. The always even shade control, which is another feature of this oven, works the same way. It electronically monitors the temperature and adjusts it accordingly to give you consistent toasting results from one toast cycle to the next. If this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. So if you don't want to miss anything, please consider subscribing. Next on the list is Best Budget. We chose Oster's Large Capacity Digital Convection Toaster Oven. The Oster Toaster Oven is the only toaster oven that costs less than $100 to make our list. What sets it apart is the smooth electronic control panel that operates much like a built-in microwave oven. With dimensions of 19.5 by 14 by 11 inches, it does take up a fair amount of counter space, but it also fits a 9 by 13-inch casserole dish or baking pan. You can use this model to toast 6 slices of bread or bake a 12-inch pizza. The Oster receives a lot of praise for its cooking ability and ease of use. It is a large capacity toaster oven with a convection fan feature which allows it to cook food faster and more conveniently than a traditional wall oven. This black toaster oven has a display screen and touchpad where you can input temperatures, adjust the timer, and select the cooking presets. The touchpad control makes it easy to use. This compact toaster offers 3 basic cooking functions: bake, broil, and defrost. The bake function has a temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The broil settings allow you to cook foods at high temperatures, the maximum being 450 degrees. It also has a convection bake option that uses a convection fan to cook food quickly and evenly. Additionally, this toaster oven has a defrost setting, so you can use it to thaw food and cook it immediately after use. When operating, the toaster oven only uses 1300 watts, which makes it one of the most energy-efficient options in our lineup. Next on the list as best infrared toaster oven, we chose Panasonic's NB-G110P Flash Express Toaster Oven. From renowned electronics and electrical appliance maker Panasonic, we have the Flash Express Toaster Oven. With near and far infrared light, it's a fast and efficient option that claims to cook food up to 40% faster than traditional models and offers a convenient design and energy savings. The Panasonic NB-G110P Flash Express is unique because it uses double infrared heating. Unlike other toaster ovens that need to preheat for a few minutes, infrared heating elements bring the oven to temperature immediately. The infrared baking element penetrates inside the food, while the front element efficiently cooks the outside. This model has 5 shades of browning to pick from and 6 pre-programmed auto-cook modes, including frozen waffles, frozen hash browns, frozen pizza, reheating rolls, toast, and quick reheat. The Flash Express comes with a square inner tray, baking tray, and removable crumb tray. It has an interior light so you can monitor the progress of your meal. The interior is large enough to accommodate 4 pieces of bread or pizzas up to 9 inches in diameter. If there is any area for improvement with this oven, it's in the looks department. This is one toaster oven that you probably won't be buying for how awesome it looks. While it does have somewhat of a futuristic appearance and it's clean looking, it lacks the polished look of a high-end oven. We would like to hear which of these products you like the most and why, so please put that in the comments section below. To finish our list as best high-end, we chose Breville's BOV900 BSS, the Smart Oven Air. The Breville BOV900 BSS oven does everything that your conventional oven can't, bringing unlimited cooking versatility to your everyday meal making. The Smart Air oven features 13 preset cooking functions: toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. These functions work with the 6 quartz heating elements inside the top and bottom of the oven and with the Element IQ countertop operating system to optimize each element for each function. Additional features include 2 convection modes, one with the convection fan at regular speed. The other mode uses convection at high speed, super convection, that basically cooks even faster than standard speed convection. Whether you're making pizzas, roasting chicken, warming appetizers, toasting bagels, or baking cookies, you don't necessarily have to monitor this toaster oven as it cooks. As such, you'll have a lot of time to concentrate on the other cooking tasks, or even relax in the kitchen when it fills up with tantalizing aromas. In addition, with the dehydrate and air fry settings, you can always make a wide array of delicious and light snacks that are ideal for health-conscious eaters, including crunchy kale chips and crispy French fries. This Breville Smart Oven Air is one of the best sellers on Amazon in its category, and we put a link to that product in the description section below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss anything. And if you are interested in finding the best prices of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description.